I am going to break from the script today. On the page 2 of your bulletin, at the top it says stand. However, I think we should ignore that. It's been said, if you sing stand up for Jesus, sitting down, you might be a Lutheran. Well, our opening hymn is Arise, O Christian People. So I'm going to invite you to stand as you are able as we sing our opening hymn.